All right, welcome back. And MacGyver's Workshop and a little mini segment here for our Death Kart Throwdown. And really stoked because tomorrow we're going to be heading to Barnesville, Georgia, and we'll be about a 6-hour drive for us. And we're going to take the Death Kart down there and run it at Lamar County Speedway. And be Saturday morning. They're gonna let us take it out on the track and run it around, see how it does, and kind of dial things in with it and all that, because we already know it goes fast as stink, and but we want it to be able to corner too, so it's gonna be a little work. But so if you're in the Barnesville, Georgia area Saturday, check us out. They're also having a day race. Actually, it's a double header. It's going to be a day and a night race because we were supposed to be there May 1st, and they had to cancel because of the weather. So they moved it to this Saturday, where it was going to be normally scheduled for a night race. So they made it a double header. So you're going to do a day race and a night race. So if you're in the neighborhood, check us out, and you'll get to see all the kids racing. They've got different classes of kart racing. It's totally cool, way more tech, way more disciplined than what I have built. I mean, this kart that I built is just, it's like hillbilly insanity, really, is what it is. But it is safe, and we built a lot of safety into it, but it's heavy, and these little karts don't weigh nothing that these kids race. And they got like a little, what the shifter kart class has, like a 125 two-stroke on it, but they go like stink. And I wouldn't be surprised if it half keep up with the Death Kart. So anyhow, we're stoked, can't wait. So Lamar County Speedway, 930 Highway 36 West, Barnesville, Georgia. Be there, be square, and all for the Lamar County Speedway, the Georgia Sprint Karting Association. Big major shout out to them. For letting us get a little track time to use the track and test this thing out. These guys were just great. So big shout out to Bob Barthelemy, and again, the Georgia Sprint Karting Association, for letting us do this. And in return, we'll do a little bitty exhibition for them, and show it off to the kids, because most of them, they've all seen a Gixxer kart on YouTube, but I don't think they've ever seen one up close or heard one. So ought to be exciting for them, and if we're lucky, maybe they'll let us do a little smoke show. So we're going to have plenty of cameras. Jim's going to bring his drone, and hopefully we'll get some drone footage this time. And be there, be square. Looking forward to it. See ya.